Mr. President, the target market is the poor and the homeless, di ba? Of the should. It's not the middle class. Can I get an answer from that? Kasi yung binasang mandate ni Senate Minority Pro Leader, it says that yung mandate nyo is for the homeless and the poor.
Yes, Mr. President, good gentlewoman. And that is why sa existing budget ng NHA, meron nga din pong 1 billion pesos para sundin ang utos dun sa Mandamus at isa pang 1 billion pesos para sa housing for victim survivors of calamity. So, total of 2 billion sa NHA budget para pa lang sa dalawang programang yon.
Eh, that's for the middle class. That's not for the poor.
Mm. Okay. Ito pong government funds heavily subsidizing yung housing programs for the poor. Kaya in the magnitude of billions of pesos. Yun namang pong disenyong...
Sabi mo, wala sa budget. Eh, isusingit pa lang sa budget. Pero ang priority would be the condominium. Na sinasabi mo, 3.2 million units by 2028. Yun ang question ko sa DSUD. Bakit pinaprioritize yung middle class when your mandate is to help the poor and the homeless?
Yung pong binanggit ko, Mr. President, na mga ipopropose pa lamang ng DSUD, na public rental housing at saka yung dalawa pa. Bukod po doon, yung existing na pinagkakagastosan ng gaan ng NHA.
So why are you prioritizing the 3.2 million condominium for the middle class when your mandate is to help the poor and the homeless? Dapat yun ang first priority. In fact, that is our problem in Las Piñas. That yung inyong condominium na pinopropose, it's not for the poor and the homeless. It's for the middle class. So why are we providing houses for the middle class? They can buy from others because they can afford it. Our priority should be the poor and the homeless. Kasi sa amin, sa Las Piñas, maraming poor and homeless na informal settler. That should be the priority, how to give them houses. Before kasi, yung aming CNP program, we're just giving land to the poor and the homeless. And they will try to save money to build their homes, better homes in the future. And ang amortization lang nun, 500 pesos a month. So they can afford it. The poor and the homeless, they can afford it. Even the tricycle driver and the mga nagtitinda sa palengke. But now, they are prioritizing condominium. Ang condominium, ang mahal. It's for the middle class. It's not for the poor. Tapos paaalisin nila doon sa lupa yung poor, lalagyan nila ng condominium. Saan nila dadalhin yung poor? That's our experience in Las Piñas. So I'm telling the secretary what is our experience in Las Piñas.
Yes, Mr. President. Nakikinig mabuti ang Secretary sa inputs ng ating mga colleagues sa bawat locality natin kasi lahat yan pag pinagsama-sama really give us the national situation sa housing na sinusubukang tugunan ng department. I think what the department is trying to do, Mr. President, good gentlewoman, ay sabay na trabahuin ito with government funds, prioritizing housing for the poor.
Nakatira doon sa lupa, natatayuan nila ng condominium. Saan dadalhin yung mahihirap na cannot afford the condominium?
Mr. President, kahit sa condominium, sinasabi nga po ng DSUD na pati ang condominium ay for the poor as long as may interest subsidy. So sinusubukan po ng department mag-innovate sa mga
4,000
programa.
a month.
Hindi daw po, Mr. President, but I'll get the updated figure on
Yun
that.
ang pinopromote nila, 4,000 a month.
Mr. President, what I'm hearing here is it is 2,600 a month. So not 4,000 pesos.
Can afford 2,600 a month when they're earning only below 500 a day. Kasi ang kino-question ko is yung model na condominium. Mahal ang condominium eh. So it's not for the poor and the homeless.
So, Mr. President, sa ini-evolve na programang 4PH ng department, bukod pa po dun sa pinag-uusapan natin kaninang government subsidy, may nauna ng proposal na interest subsidy para dun po sa mga mahihirap na mag-elect tumira dun sa mga condominium na yon or mga medium rise na iyon. At meron din pong proposed na amortization subsidy in partnership sa LGUs.
Kasi ang amortization, pag lupa lang ang binigay mo, 500 pesos a month. Yan na experience namin sa Las Piñas. Now, pag condominium, magkano?
Ang proposal po sa ngayon dun sa amortization subsidy in partnership sa LGU ay 1,500 pesos a month.
1,500 pesos.
So, ang ina-announce sa amin, 4,000 a month.
Okay. This is amortization subsidy.
Amortization ba yan?
Ito yung base pa lang. Base pa lang ito. Wala pa yung
Per month yun, ano?
subsidized na.
Kasi pagka nag-check yung
LGU.
1,000.
I just want they should to reconsider their condominium concept for the poor. Kasi parang hindi kaya ng mga mahihirap sa amin. Paalisin sila doon sa lupa na tinitirhan nila, tatayuan ng condominium, hindi naman nila kaya yung condominium, where will they go?
Tama. Hindi sila beneficiary.
That is what will happen. Oh. Whereas if yung lupa dinivide sa kanila 500 a month lang. Oh, mas safe 'yon. Bakit tatayuan ng kondo?